When you're doing this, really set that it's that first one, right? If you can set that up really nicely, snap your first head really sharp, I think that'll set up the rest of it. Yeah. All right, here we go. Even right there, right? More body first. And open up. Good. Snap. Keep your weight forward. That was better. Don't pull. All right. Not bad. So, you had a couple of singles right at the beginning that were pretty good. And when you pulled the first double, you went shoulder first, right? So it went here, and then it dropped you just a tiny bit here, and then that made the rest of it like I'm holding on to it. Yeah, and the weight got a little bit behind you. I feel like today your retro is a little bit dragging. It's going down a little bit. Really get to a full position, that's going to help you, right? That's going to help you get around, yeah? So be aware of that. I think the length of the leg is looking pretty good. It's better. The foot is staying where it needs to, right? Which is nice. I just feel like the action's not quite as sharp as we've had it at times. You want to try it one more time? Yep. Snap. There you go. Bop. Keep it coming around. Keep pushing down really hard. Yes, Jada, that was better. Yes, good.